In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your customer's report fast and easy using WordPress and WooCommerce. Whether you're managing a burgeoning business or just want to keep an eye on your customer analytics, knowing how to generate and interpret these reports is crucial. Let's get started, step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website. You can access the dashboard by logging into your WordPress admin panel. If you're unsure where to start, remember that this is usually located at a URL ending with wp-admin. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen with numerous options. Next, click on WooCommerce. You'll find this in the same menu on the left. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a fully functional online store. By clicking here, you're accessing the tools needed to monitor your sales, inventory, and, for today's focus, your customers. Once inside the WooCommerce section, you'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This Reports section is crucial because it holds valuable insights about your store's performance, from sales and orders to taxes and taxonomies. We're particularly interested in the customer data today. Within the Reports page, you'll notice different types of data available. For our task, navigate to the Customers section. By doing so, you'll be able to see customer-specific reports, which include useful information like how many customers have registered, total customer growth, and other insightful metrics. After selecting Customers, you're given the option to choose a time range. This is particularly helpful when you want to analyze a specific period. Perhaps you want to see how customer retention has progressed over the last month, or evaluate the effect of recent marketing campaigns. You can select predefined time ranges such as this month, last month, or even custom date ranges by specifying the start and end dates. Finally, once you've picked the time frame that suits your needs, go ahead and view the report. This will give you a detailed breakdown of customer activity, growth, and retention metrics during your specified period. Remember, understanding these insights isn't just about numbers. It's about identifying patterns, recognizing customer behavior, and making informed decisions to improve your business strategy. With these steps, you can easily gain valuable insights into your customers and help your business grow effectively. As always, feel free to explore further into these reports to optimize your strategies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.